Today we are discussing about the parallax method. That is, how can we measure the large distances, such as the distance of a planet or a star from Earth. This one is the planet, far away planet or a star, and we want to find this distance between planet and Earth. So for this, we are measuring, we are observing the planet, same planet, from two observatories, say A and B, almost diametrically opposite point situated. There are two observers, one is here, the other is here, but they both are observing the planet simultaneously. We can fix the direction of observation AP and BP with respect to distant star. This one is the constellation made of 7 stars. This one is the first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. This line of vision coincide with the star number 5, and this line coincide with the star number 2 of the same constellation. Now on second day night, 12 midnight, this is our location, say Ahmedabad. Now we are observing the star number 2 and the star number 5 of the same constellation. So first we will adjust the telescope towards star number 2, and then after rotating towards star number 5. So we can measure this angle and this angle, but we want to measure this angle. So actually we have to take our telescope at planet, and we want to find this star and this star, and then after we can find this angle. But now we are measuring this angle from here, so slightly mistake is there, neglection is there. See in this figure, planet and Earth, planet and Earth. If the distance between planet and Earth is too much small in comparison of the distance between far away stars, so actually we want to measure this angle from planet location, but here we are measuring this angle from Earth. So theta dash, which we are measuring, it is slightly smaller than the actual angle, but the distance is too much big, this distance, in comparison of this one. So error is slightly negligible, we can neglect it. See this figure, suppose this one is planet and this one is Earth, then the error is greater because of star is very close. But if the distance between star, far away stars and planet or Earth is too much big in comparison of this distance, then these two angles are almost equal. Now see here, now we have this angle after neglection. We want to measure this distance. So applying the radian measure of an angle, theta radian is arc length upon radius. Here arc length is almost diameter. Actually this is the arc length, but practically theta is very small. So this arc length almost coincides with this diameter. So we can consider this arc length is almost equal to diameter of the Earth. So arc length is d. And what about the radius? So in our case, this is the center, and this one is the radius. We will put here, rounder here, like that. So this is the radius, and this is the distance between planet and Earth, d by d. So cross multiplication, theta radian into capital D equal to small d. So subtracting d, which is the distance of the planet and Earth, we have d by theta radian.